here and show you a 2-bedroom empty space.
Jump tour space.
For a 2-bedroom in Nairobi, Kenya. This is the big city of Nairobi. Always remember Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya, administrative city of Kenya, and everything, the capital, everything kinda like happens around this big city. Let's say you're coming to Kenya from New York City, you're gonna be landing in Nairobi. I wanna take you inside here for a 2-bedroom empty space.
Jump towards empty
Sorry,
space.
this place has no lights, but maybe I'll have to open the natural light. Yes, okay. So I'm lighting up this space. This is the living space or sitting room. You can tell the kitchen is right here. See? So right now, me and my brother, we're staying here, but it's an empty space. This is my sister's project, Dee Mwango. She needs to furnish this place and make it Airbnb. Still from here, that's the beautiful Nairobi, the way you see it.
Wow.
Very beautiful, okay.
Wow, family,
And
wow.
also, we have a lot of beautiful things to do here, apart from just having this view. You can also go to the park. There's some parks here. And if you study around here, like Nairobi University is around here, Jomo Kenyatta, where I studied actuarial science, actually. I'm trying to create more, how can I say? Yes, I'm trying to create more light into the room because we don't have the lights so far. Yes, because most of the time people don't live here. So this is the kitchen area, kitchen space. You can tell it's a beautiful one. Closets, okay. I don't know what's actually here. And right here also, you see, very, very nice. So this is the kitchen area, okay. And there's water actually, there's water. So this is the laundry space. I need to wash, actually. These are my clothes. I need to wash them right now. So after this show, I'm gonna be washing them. So you see, we have enough space. This is a kitchen from here. It's quite enough. Okay, so if we close this, we have enough space. Trying to close this, guys. Please, it's a shame if you're watching this video and you can't give it a like. And a like is just a free thing. If you can't just give this video a like, honestly, I don't know even if you have some good vibes coming on your way, you know. So here we're here to put space. To put, I mean, like maybe seats and tables and.
As you can see, family, you see your Marwa love likes. He knows everything.
Then I'll come back here and explain. So from this living space, the kitchen is in the other side. And if you keep going that way, you see the laundry. Now I'm gonna take you to this side of the house. Right here, we have the first bathroom. So probably this could be the public bathroom. Let's say you have visitors coming to visit you here. They don't have to go look for other bathrooms somewhere. So this is their public bathroom. It's very nice. It has a shower, okay, the way you see it. And here we have a common bathtub, or I don't know, yes, bathtub. So let's say people want to wash their hands, they can wash here. And this side is a bedroom. We have empty space here for a bedroom. Remember I told you this was a 2-bedroom house. Or apartment, actually, not house, apartment in Nairobi. So you see from here, that's the beautiful Nairobi. That's the beautiful, beautiful Nairobi. We can also open here from this bedroom. Yes. They're actually, so yes, that's the beautiful Nairobi. And you can actually watch that direct here. Like your bed is right here. You have some closets right here. You can tell, I don't know what's inside here. Nothing much. It's an empty space. So, yes. So this is bedroom number 2. Okay, so the main bedroom is right here. Right here is the main bedroom. So right now we are spending our time here. We're staying here with my brother. So remember, this is an empty space, but we are trying to fill it up with stuff. So something like that. It has a closet here.
Wow.
It has enough space for a bed, and also some empty space here. We have some things right there. Oh, right here we have baños. Baño means baño in Spanish means toilet. Okay, baño. But actually, there's a huge difference between pit latrine, toilet. So in Spanish, all of them is baño. Baño means toilet or bathroom. Okay. Actually, if you want to say, I want to take shower, you say, quiero bañar. Bañar is to take shower. Okay. So bañar, I'm going for the shower. So as you tell here, we have this space here. Amazing enough space. And remember, water is running here. See? I'm opening. Yes, that's water running right there. So we have enough space here. This is the bedroom. Also remember, from this window, you can enjoy the view of Nairobi.
You're happy about somebody's space and you never spend $1 in? I'm telling your family. Hope you guys see this.
So you really enjoy the view of Nairobi. Actually, this one big thing I really love about this apartment is it has crazy, amazing views. And especially, let's say you are a visitor to Nairobi or first time in Kenya, and you just arrived and you sleep in this bed and you wake up just pulling this like this, and you'll be like, whoa, something like that. Yes. So you really enjoy because that newness of something. So guys, and what else? Electricity you have to pay for yourself, water, and the price of this house
is 45,000 Kenyan shillings.
Empty space. I think it goes for $450. I guess so. My sister Dee Mwango will be commenting to be telling us how much it costs. And yes, so now
she never pay a rent at that apartment, not even a rent. I pay all the rent.
Lifestyle, Where will I put this camera? But the problem is, it's very. If it drops that way, man, I forget about it. So I'm trying to put it here. Yeah. So. Main advantage of staying here is it's next to the big city. So going to town or to the city center, you don't have actually to ride a motorbike or ride any type of transport. You just walk there. That's one of the best things about staying at these apartments. And also apart from that, is remember things like traffic jams cost you a lot.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, that is Marwa at the apartment, family. Back when I was in Ghana, he was at the apartment. And as you can see, guys, I sent this money on the 12th of May. And she came to Kenya and back in April, family. So on the 12th of May, I sent this money, this 106,000 Kenyan shillings, as you can see, family. I sent this money for she to get the apartment on the 12th, and then on the 18th again, I sent another 100,000 Kenyan shillings for she to actually put the money together and get the apartment, family. So as you can see, guys, Marwa is behind all of this. Even before the apartment is furnished out, and nothing is in the apartment, he's there making video, washing his clothes and doing a lot of stuff. So when you hear he's saying that this is a hoax and this is a lie, he's a liar and he's a thief. And as you can see, everything is there, family. He's at the apartment. It was like 2 years ago. And as you can see, guys, on the 18th, like 6 days before, I sent another 100,000 Kenyan shillings, family. So as you can see, guys, everything is there, all the evidence. So when I and Marwa is actually, don't want to advise sister to refund Jam Tours, you can see that he's a thief, and you guys should stop support a thief. That's what they do online, family. You should stop support them, because the evidence is here, and he's still denying it. He's still denying the evidence, the raw evidence, family. So you know what to do. You know what to do. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And as you know, family, my blood are boil right now. My blood are boil, and I have to make this reaction video, guys, and tell you a little story about my apartment in Nairobi. What happened, or the entire Marwa family take over my apartment, family. So I just want to actually share a little story with you guys. As he said in the video, him and his brother is staying there. You know, David Jr. was the one that helped moving this stuff. I'm gonna drop a video on that one too, family. And I want you to coincide the date when I send the money. I know everything happened, family. I'm gonna post that here so you can see, family. So, you know what I mean? I just want to let you guys know that these people are, you know what I mean? These people, I don't know what to call them, family. But as you can see for yourself in this video, family, imagine Marwa making so much money on YouTube and he never rent an apartment in Nairobi and make it be an Airbnb. But as soon as I send money and to get an Airbnb, everybody own it and say it's their thing. You see what I'm talking about, family? And all the money he's making on YouTube. He never rent an apartment or never try to get an apartment in Nairobi yet. But as soon as I send money to get this apartment, everybody want to say it's for their sister, it's for this, it's for that. You know what I mean? So everybody know everything in this thing, family. And I'm going to show you everything in this video so you can see for yourself, family, and that you can see that these people are really, you know what I mean, you know, really trifling, you know what I mean, you know, and they should refund Jam Tours. They should refund Jam Tours, family. While I was in Ghana, as you can see, you know, in the video before that, you know, I sent this money and I came to Kenya on the 7th of July, family. And I just wanted to watch the timeline of the videos and see everything so you can see how everything add up, guys. And as I said before, family, the one Marwa is the cost of everything, family. As you can see how excited it is to go in some place that either he never pay a cent or a dollar or anything. He's first one going there, washing and doing a lot of stuff, sleeping there when the place wasn't even furnished out because they're waiting for me to come to Kenya to furnish out the place. You see what I'm saying? So just to show you that, you know what I mean, you know, I'm telling your family that these people, you know, when you see them online, don't you ever try to do business with them or do anything with them. Because, you know what I mean, even if you are trying to help them out, them still are going to try to actually take everything for themselves. That's what I'm telling you, family. So as you can see, family, you see it, you see for yourself. You see for yourself, the apartment is empty, no one is there. I just send the money for her to buy the stuff to put in the place. So when I come, I'll furnish it out. And everybody actually sleeping in the place, making videos and doing a lot of stuff. You know what I mean? And they don't know nothing. David Jr. know about everything. He was there when I sent Diana the money and everything to get the place. He's the one actually moving the bed and all of these things inside the place, family. So, you know what I mean? He knows everything. So, you know, when you see the one Marwa take over everything now and actually, you know, he and the sister conspire to push me out of the apartment just because I traveled back to Ghana and just because I wasn't there and not in the country. So, guys, you have to be careful. It's just a warning, guys, that when you do business with these people, you have to be careful if you ever plan to do business. I don't know if you will do business after seeing all of these things. I don't think you'll be out of your mind to do business with these people, family. You know what I mean? I don't think you will be out of your mind to do business with these people, family. So as I said, guys, you see it for yourself. You hear everything. You see everything for yourself. I don't know what else you want me to say more than for you to actually share this video around the internet and actually, you know what I mean, so nobody else won't get scammed. You know, like, share, and comment. And you know what I mean. And if you're close to Marwa, I am Marwa. You know, tell him to advise sister to refund Jam Tours because, you know what I mean, you know, either willfully or forcefully, Jam Tour will be refunded. Jam Tours will be refunded, either forcefully or willfully. And we are pleading for the willfully way before it gets forceful, family. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Like, share, and comment the video. One love, Jamaica.